Is this the best back-to-school cocktail ever? We get it, you graduated with honors. Good luck with that philosophy degree.
Ba 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 ba, Leo cooks things, I cook things.
You look highly professional, sir. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a French gimlet. But make sure you follow along carefully. The last thing you want is to make a French gimlet. Vous avez mon âge. We're a bunch of sillies. Let's get to it. En premier, we need some tools, and I'm not talking about this guy. This alcohol requires no gin introduction. I'm using Empress gin here because it's blue and it makes everything look super cool. It's also gonna impress your friends. 2 ounces of Empress gin. Next up, we're gonna use Saint Germain, which is an elderflower liqueur. 1 ounce of Saint Germain goes in. Who do plants talk to when they need advice? The elderflower. What ails you, little tulip? Many beards were bought for this episode. Service! We all have weird talents. Mine is making tennis ball sounds. I don't care, I'm having fun. Lime. The blood of half a lime. Ice, ice, baby. Let's shake it. Now shake it enthusiastically. Yeah! Yeah! Ah, it's my eye. And then double strain it into a glass of choice. Look how pretty that is. Garnish with a tiny little piece of dried lime. Boop. French gimlet. Enjoy. Purple drink, purple drink. Woo! First you toss the kids in the school bus, then you toss a couple of these down. Bye, friends.